In the ever-evolving world of business, where digital presence and marketing strategies can make or break success, becoming a marketing consultant is an incredibly rewarding and impactful career choice. For entrepreneurs, marketers, small business owners, and digital marketing enthusiasts looking to expand their knowledge and skills, this video will guide you through what it means to be a marketing consultant, what it is for, and the main advantages of this exciting career path. A marketing consultant is a professional who analyzes a company's current marketing strategy and develops a new, improved plan to reach the company's goals. They are experts in understanding market trends, consumer behavior, and the various tools and techniques available to create effective marketing campaigns. Whether you're a small business owner looking to boost your brand's visibility or an entrepreneur aiming to reach a broader audience, a marketing consultant can provide the insights and strategies needed to achieve success. One of the primary roles of a marketing consultant is to conduct a thorough analysis of a company's current marketing efforts. This includes reviewing existing campaigns, identifying strengths and weaknesses, and understanding the competitive landscape. By doing so, they can pinpoint areas for improvement and develop a comprehensive marketing plan tailored to the company's specific needs and goals. Marketing consultants are also skilled in identifying target audiences and creating buyer personas. They understand that knowing your audience is crucial to any successful marketing strategy. By conducting market research and analyzing data, they can help businesses understand who their customers are, what they want, and how best to reach them. This information is invaluable in crafting messages that resonate with the target audience and drive engagement. Once a clear understanding of the target audience is established, a marketing consultant will develop a strategic marketing plan. This plan outlines the marketing goals, the strategies and tactics to achieve them, and the metrics for measuring success. It includes a mix of online and offline marketing efforts, such as content marketing, social media, email campaigns, search engine optimization (SEO), pay-per-click advertising (PPC), and more. The goal is to create a cohesive and integrated approach that maximizes the company's reach and impact. One of the key advantages of working with a marketing consultant is their expertise in digital marketing. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is essential for any business. Marketing consultants are well versed in the latest digital marketing trends and technologies, and they can help businesses leverage these tools to their advantage. From optimizing websites for search engines to creating engaging social media content, marketing consultants know how to navigate the digital landscape to drive results. Another significant advantage of hiring a marketing consultant is their ability to provide an objective perspective. Often, business owners and internal marketing teams can become too close to their own brand, making it difficult to see areas for improvement or new opportunities. A marketing consultant brings a fresh set of eyes and an unbiased viewpoint, which can lead to more innovative and effective marketing strategies. Marketing consultants also bring a wealth of industry knowledge and experience. They stay up to date with the latest marketing trends, tools, and best practices, ensuring that the strategies they develop are current and effective. This level of expertise can be particularly beneficial for small businesses and startups that may not have the resources or in-house expertise to stay on top of the ever-changing marketing landscape. Furthermore, a marketing consultant can save businesses time and money. Developing and implementing a successful marketing strategy requires a significant investment of time and resources. By outsourcing this work to a marketing consultant, businesses can focus on what they do best, running their operations, while the consultant takes care of the marketing efforts. This not only frees up valuable time, but also ensures that marketing campaigns are executed efficiently and effectively. Another important aspect of a marketing consultant's role is to track and measure the success of marketing campaigns. They use various analytics tools to monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, and assess the effectiveness of different strategies. This data-driven approach allows them to make informed decisions and adjustments to optimize the marketing efforts continually. By tracking metrics such as website traffic, conversion rates, social media engagement, and more, marketing consultants can provide businesses with clear insights into what's working and what's not. For those looking to become a marketing consultant, it's important to develop a diverse skill set and a deep understanding of marketing principles. This includes knowledge of market research, consumer behavior, digital marketing, content creation, and analytics. Building a strong portfolio of successful campaigns and case studies can also help demonstrate your expertise and attract clients. Networking and continuous learning are also crucial for aspiring marketing consultants. The marketing industry is constantly evolving, and staying current with the latest trends and technologies is essential. Attending industry conferences, joining professional organizations, and participating in online forums and communities can help you stay connected and informed. Additionally, pursuing certifications in areas such as Google Analytics, SEO, and social media marketing can further enhance your credentials and credibility. Effective communication and interpersonal skills are also vital for marketing consultants. You'll be working closely with clients, stakeholders, and team members, so being able to clearly articulate your ideas and build strong relationships is key. Active listening, empathy, and the ability to adapt your communication style to different audiences will help you connect with clients and understand their needs better. Becoming a marketing consultant is a fulfilling and dynamic career choice for those passionate about helping businesses succeed. By leveraging their expertise in market analysis, digital marketing, and strategic planning, marketing consultants can provide invaluable insights and strategies to drive business growth. For entrepreneurs, marketers, small business owners, and digital marketing enthusiasts, this career offers the opportunity to make a significant impact and help businesses thrive in today's competitive landscape. If you found this video helpful and informative, please share it with your friends and colleagues who might benefit from this information. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more valuable insights and tips on becoming a successful marketing consultant.